Klarte du det?
Ja, se den.
Ja, det var veldig godt, altså. Åh.
Ja, en god. Oi, kjører det fort da?
Ja.
Ok.
Nå kan vi få den ut. Nå får vi den ut. Oi. Den er stor. Her. Oi, oi, oi. Den var på her så lenge. This is some weeks later. Yeah, you saw the owl box that I unpacked in my home. I thought we were gonna put that up now. So we have to walk in deep snow with a ladder, the box, camera, a saw, and yeah, that could be interesting. So maybe we'll have to go 2 rounds. Okay, but let's go. We're losing daylight, so yeah, let's get on with it. And oh fucking hell, the problem is that the ladder is 15 kilos. Okay, that's not that far. Manage, I think. My glasses are all foggy. Yeah. Okay, we'll have to do this quick. We need to figure out which tree, and then I'm gonna go back home and get the box, and we'll hang it up. Okay, so here is pretty good. I think this is pretty good. We'll have to chop off a few branches here, clean a little bit up. Probably remove this one as well. So this is the trail camera we're gonna mount on. Pretty basic. Comes with batteries. We'll just leave it here, go back home to get the box, and we're talking. So much snow. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, I left the i7 IV home. I can't go so deep. That's for sure. I can't even speak, I'm sorry. We'll have to wait till we are. Jeg er jo skeiv som faen. It's mounted with steel wire, so no harming or damaging to the tree. And the branch it's resting on, that was cut before I was here, so that was perfect. And yeah, of course the trail camera is there. Yeah. Well, that was a ride. I think we used about 2 hours. I hurt my finger in the ladder. Foggy glasses, yeah. Well, this is a project I have had ongoing for a while. I ordered an owl box made by hand from someone at like the Norwegian eBay, Finn.to. It's actually a little bit late to hang up owl boxes now because they start to hunt for nests in like December, yeah, mid-December. But of course you don't know, you never know. You know, life got in the way, so I had no chance to hang it up before now. I have 2 children. Both of them has been sick for the past couple of weeks. There's a lot of work, of course. We don't have much daylight in Norway. Sun goes down about 4 or 5-ish, so that's making it tough and hard to do things like this. I think I'm gonna leave it hanging for a couple of weeks before I check it again. Which owl do you think will nest in this box? Please write it in the comments below and leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Me sweat as fuck. Okay. Shalabais. Ha det.